Peace. RTV. Back for the peoples, you heard? Took a little pause for a minute, but you know, can't keep the guards down forever. Can't keep them for too long. So I'm saying the God, Lord Judge, I'm saying he back on land now. He back home, you heard? Y'all probably hear from him tomorrow or a couple more days. I'm saying let the God chance to get his thoughts together, what he want, I'm saying, share with the peoples. But you know, I'm just up here giving an introduction, let you know we back. You heard? It's definitely that time, so we here. So until then, man, you know what I'm saying, y'all just stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? Keep being sharp, keep focusing, understand what it is, keep your eyes open. There's a lot of madness going on right now. You know what I'm saying? We here though, you know what I'm saying? You heard? So you know what I'm saying? Let me see my phone. I'm gonna give y'all a little spark before I sign off right quick. I ain't sparked the camera in a minute, you know what I'm saying? So here's a little spark for the people, y'all heard? Y'all ready? Here I go, this is what I say. This is what I say, you heard? I say, when we was raised and taught lies. Biggest lie, God in the sky. See Santa Claus, see we shook that off. But the mystery God is still holding on. Under a spell, got us trapped in hell. Shake it off, even rocking the cross. You be God, forgot, that's how we lost. Crow for you walk, listen for you talk. Ali Vegas, I see you, what up? 76, the year came in the flesh. God did with equality, so one of the best. Wasn't born a nation, but I love elevation. And I teach what I learned, so I can't be a mason. It's the each one teach one, my motivation. You heard? It's a little spark for the people. Like I said, man, we don't stop. We just took a little pause for a minute. We back though. So like I said, man, stay tuned. Everybody's, you know what I'm saying, keep the mental sharp, keep the mental focused, keep your eyes open. Because we here, man. It's the each one teach one. Like I said, man, it's the each one teach one. It's my motivation, man. So you know what I'm saying? Like I said, we gonna share everything we know with the peoples. And the peoples that got things they want to share it, man. You know what I'm saying? We still sharp as steel, man. We help each other. Elevation is the key, you heard? So like I said, man, we back, RTV. I ain't gonna talk too long, you know what I'm saying? I just want y'all to let y'all know we back, you heard? Till then, till next time, peace.